How to check for a hidden coolant leak in a Skoda. First of all, ensure that it is cold before opening up on the cap, otherwise this can be extremely dangerous. Next, get a coolant pressure tester kit. There will be a link in the comments. They're about £30 to £40, but well worth it. And then add the adapter onto the coolant header tank. Pump it up to 15 psi and then wait 15 minutes. If the pressure drops, then you've definitely got a leak, but you listen out for hissing sounds or observing for leaks. Open up the oil filler cap as well to see if the pressure dramatically reduces. Observe all coolant hoses and don't forget the ones going into the firewall, and check the radiator. Sometimes you may have to go under the car to check this. Release the pressure and then repump it up to 15 psi for a further 15 minutes. Once you've checked the engine bay, including underneath it, check that the coolant isn't in the passenger footwell. This would be a heater matrix fail. Still losing coolant, but the pressure tester isn't conclusive, check here for crystallization or inside the timing case. This could be that the cap has failed or the water pump bearings have failed. There will be an affiliate link in the comments for this product. It is great, it works on all cars, and please check out my book, Do Not Ignore That Noise, and I'll see you on the next one.